scanner. This is a compact scanner which is designed for official usage, like you can scan two-sided document, you can scan a visiting card, and it has a touchscreen support. It comes with Wi-Fi also. You can directly scan a document to a cloud storage or to an FTP server. This scanner is designed with cutting edge features. It can instantly let you manage a lot of documents. You can digitize them, you can save them in a pen drive, or you can simply share them with others. The cost of this scanner lies around rupees 24,990. It is a costly scanner, but the feature which it offers are quite impressive. Some of the primary features of this scanner is it offers you up to 1200 by 1200 dpi scan. It has an auto image rotation feature. It also has auto deskew, which is it will correct the scanned document if they are out of line. It has an auto crop feature. You can also remove the background color through this. If you're scanning and if there is any blank page in between, the scanner will ignore that. The front LCD here is 6.8 centimeter, which is enough to control other settings of the scanner. It has a web connect support. That means you can link the scanner with a cloud storage where your documents will be automatically uploaded. The automatic document feeder can handle up to 20 pages. It has a built-in Wi-Fi. It is very compact and lightweight, and it comes with different scanning sizes which you can adjust. The specification of the scanner is it has an ARM 946 288 MHz processor. It has 256 MB of memory. It has a contact image sensor, and the entire weight of this scanner is 1.6 kg. The design, as you can see, the scanner is quite portable. It has a compact ADF. You can simply lock this when you're not using it. You can load up to different sizes of paper on this. You can adjust the same. It supports A4, B5 and A5 paper. The front side, there is a power button. There is an LCD screen. The ADF is also front with the paper adjustment. Sometimes it happens that the paper get jam inside, so you can remove this by pressing the lock on the right side. It is not having any bottom plate. At the back side, there is an USB port. There is a visiting card scanner. This is a USB port which will help you to connect the scanner with a PC directly if you don't want to use it on a Wi-Fi. This is for power. The installation of this scanner is quite easy. You just have to connect it to your PC and you have to run the setup CD which comes in the package. It gives you a different set of options, like there is an MFL Pro suite which offers you scanner drivers with Nuance paper port and Newsoft Presto BizCard application. BizCard will be used for scanning and managing your business card, while Paperport will manage all your scanned document. So once you're done with the setup, you can simply check the options which are available on the LCD, and you can scan a document. So here you can see a different set of options, like you can scan a file to an FTP, you can scan to a network, you can scan directly to a PC. And then there is a USB option. You can also email a document. You have to set up, you will need an email server for this, and you can also scan to web, which will give you access to different cloud services. To scan, you just have to select the option you want, and then you have to choose what kind of scan option you want. Like if you choose text, then this scanner will convert the written text of an document to an editable format, like in a form of TXT or Word file. You can scan in the form of PDF or an image. Now the next screen, you can see you have an option to choose a PC which is on the LAN network, or you can select a USB drive. If this scanner is already connected to a Wi-Fi network, you will see a different set of PC which have shared folder. You have to select one, and you have to just press start. The document will be scanned and will be sent to that PC. So in this way, you can see using this portable scanner is very easy. So this is the way you scan paper. You can add at around 20 papers on the document feeder, and it will scan it automatically. Also, if there is a blank page, the scanner will ignore that page. For scanning a visiting card, you have to use this card slot on the back side. Just add the card. You have to close the paper tray, and then you have to press on start to scan a card. So in this way you can see you can scan a different visiting card on this, and through this card you can manage all of them. Brothersoft ADS 1600W, as I said, is a costly scanner. It comes for rupees 24,990. But it is an exclusive product which can be used for digitizing all your document. If you're having a lot of visitors in your office, you can use this for scanning documents, scanning visiting card. The positive aspect of this scanner is it is compact in design, it gives you great features, and it gives you different connectivity options, while the negative aspect is it is an costly scanner, and you can also use this through your Android device, but sometimes it drops connectivity. That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.